Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable mobile hotspot and explain all of its settings on your Xiaomi POCO F4 GT. So in order to enable it, we'll need to move to our settings. From here you can already see portable hotspot right here, you can enable it. If you can't see it right here, it should be in connection and sharing somewhere around here. So now that was the first way to enable it, simply like that. The second way is to scroll down your toolbar, then scroll down again, scroll down even more, and here somewhere should be our portable hotspot right here. So we can enable it through our notification bar. And now let's hold our finger onto it and we'll go to the settings, the same menu without going through settings. So now let me go through all of the setup and settings available for this mobile hotspot. First thing, set up portable hotspot, click on it, and here you'll be able to pick the name for the hotspot. I'm gonna call it Hotspot 2. Next is the password. You can change it, you can press on this eye icon and then the password will reveal, but I'm gonna change it. It needs to have at least 8 digits, so keep in mind before actually creating new one. So right here I have 128. Security, if you click on it, you'll be able to change the security certificate for this mobile hotspot, and you can select none. Then the password will disappear. There will be no need for a password in this case. If you go for VPA2 or VPA3, there will be password. And I would recommend using VPA3 or 2 if you want to have secure hotspot. Next thing is device identification, and you can change it to default or portable hotspot. AP band, which changes the speed and reach of your mobile hotspot. If you pick 2.4, it will increase the range but decrease the speed of this mobile hotspot. If you pick 5G, this will increase the speed but lower the reach. Next thing, hide SSID, and if you enable it, your network name won't be visible on other devices. So let me actually leave it disabled because I want to see this on my other phone in a second. Now press OK to save all of the settings that we've just changed. Let's disable it for now. Next thing, one-time data limit. If you click on it, you'll be able to right now the carrier doesn't support that, but if you have it available, you can enable it like that. Then change the size of how much can someone use this network for. So right now it's 15 megabytes. When exceeded, you can change that, and right now it is turn off and notify. So if somebody actually reaches 50 megabytes, it will turn off for them and notify them. Next thing is turn off hotspot automatically, and when there's no device connected for about 15 minutes to your phone, to your mobile hotspot, it will turn off automatically. Next option is support 6th generation standards. Some devices might be incompatible with 802.11ax standard. Turn this feature off if you experience problems. So you can enable it. It might improve a lot of speed and performance of this hotspot, but if someone that uses this mobile hotspot can't locate your network, you might need to disable it. Next, you have USB tethering, and if you connect your phone to your computer, for example, using USB cable, you'll be able to share the network with using this USB tethering. Next option is Bluetooth tethering, and it works with a Bluetooth connection. Next, Ethernet tethering, and if you have Ethernet plug, you can also do that. Last thing, connected devices, and here you'll be able to change the limit for available devices that can connect to this mobile hotspot. So let me choose one. You can set block lists, so if you want to block some devices, they'll be visible here. You will be also available to unblock them right here. Now after everything is set, let's actually try connecting our other device to this mobile hotspot. So here I will bring up another phone Here's my second phone, and enable portable hotspot. Make sure that's enabled, that's necessary. Restart our available networks. Click on the hotspot 2 as the name indicates. Write the password if it's protected by the password, and click connect. After that, you'll be connected with this mobile hotspot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.